Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Lexus logo. First, gather your supplies: a heat gun or hairdryer, some fishing line or dental floss, and an adhesive remover. You'll also want a soft cloth and some detailing spray. This process is straightforward, but requires patience to prevent any scratches or damage to your vehicle's paint. Let's get started with the first step. Begin by gently heating the emblem with your heat gun or hairdryer for about 1 to 2 minutes. This softens the adhesive, making it easier to work with. Next, take a piece of fishing line or strong dental floss and slide it behind the emblem. Use a sawing motion to work the line through the adhesive, moving from one side to the other. Be slow and steady to avoid scratching the paint. Once the emblem is off, you'll likely have some adhesive residue left on the paint. Apply an automotive adhesive remover to a soft cloth and gently rub away the remaining glue. Avoid harsh scrubbing. After the residue is gone, clean the area thoroughly with soap and water, then apply a good quality car wax or sealant to protect the paint and restore its shine. This ensures a flawless finish. Always work in a well-ventilated area and ensure your car's paint is cool to the touch before applying heat. Overheating can damage the clear coat. If you're unsure or dealing with a particularly stubborn emblem, consider consulting a professional detailer. They have specialized tools and expertise to ensure a perfect result. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.